Hey everyone, and welcome! Today we're going to gear up for a little expedition into the digital world. We're going to be talking about a brand new kind of guide for this information age, the Information Sherpa, and the amazing tool it uses to climb these huge mountains of data, agentic AI. So let's get started. You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You've got a project, maybe a blog post you want to write. You go to a search engine, type something in, and bam! You are just staring at millions of links. It feels less like a helpful map and more like getting caught in a digital blizzard. I mean, where do you even begin?
To really get what we're up against, sea of search results doesn't quite cut it. It's not just wide, it's tall. We're not just sorting through information, we're trying to climb what you could call the information mountain.
And that's exactly what it feels like. You're stuck at the bottom, looking up at this enormous peak of articles and videos and studies and opinions. And the summit, that finished project, the actual answer you're looking for, it just feels impossibly far away. The sheer size of it can honestly be paralyzing. Okay, but what if you didn't have to make that climb all by yourself? When people climb Everest, they rely on Sherpas. These are expert guides who know the mountain inside and out. Well, in our digital world, a new kind of guide is starting to show up, and we're calling it the Information Sherpa. The whole inspiration for this explainer comes right from this fantastic idea by Ira Warren Whiteside. And you gotta pay attention to the words he uses here. Agentic AI, assist in creating, deeper research, discover more references. See, this isn't just about searching. This is about having a partner in the act of creation itself. So what exactly is this tool that our Information Sherpa is using? Like the quote said, it's not some simple map or compass. Nope. It's something way more advanced. It's agentic AI. So let's break down what that actually means.
Okay, think about it this way. A normal tool, like a regular search engine, it's passive. You give it a command, it spits out a list of links. An agentic AI, on the other hand, is proactive. You give it a goal, something like, hey, help me write a blog post about sustainable fishing. It then works on its own to help you get there. It's not just showing you the path, it's helping you walk it.
This chart really makes the difference crystal clear. Look on the left with a standard search. You are the one giving all the commands, and you have to sort through all the results. It's a passive tool. But now look on the right with agentic AI. You give it a goal. The agent then explores and puts things together for you. It's a total shift from being a passive tool to being a proactive partner.
All right, so how does this AI partner actually get us up the mountain? Let's take a quick look at the process, this automated ascent.
It's a really simple but incredibly powerful process. First, you set the goal, just like in that quote we saw. Then, the agent explores. And this is the cool part. It's not just looking for keywords. It's digging deep, finding connections you might have missed. And finally, it comes back, not with a messy pile of links, but with organized, relevant discoveries. The good stuff. And this, right here, is the most important part. I mean, the whole reason you climb a mountain is to get to the top. So what does the summit look like? What's the tangible thing you get at the end of this journey? This is the real game changer. The point of using an Information Sherpa isn't just to end up with a huge pile of facts, it's to build something new from them. The AI actually helps you go from all that raw information to a finished, polished creation, like that blog post we've been talking about. And here they are, the rewards you find waiting for you at the summit, pulled straight from that original idea. You get deeper research, because the AI finds connections you wouldn't have thought to look for. You find more references, because it uncovers sources you didn't even know existed. And all of that leads to the grand prize, a truly informed creation. So this completely changes how we think about research, right? It goes from being a chore to being this guided expedition. It's all about partnering with technology to reach totally new creative heights. And that kind of leads to a final question for you. Thinking about your own projects, your own curiosities, what information mountain are you going to climb next?